ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. ओम श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. ओम श्री मात्रे नमः. हाव अस्मिता कल्याणपूर परम पूज्य स्वाम्यांगले अनुमती घेवनू आत्ता धर्म सभा सूर जातले. सभा प्रारंभ प्रार्थना आम्ही वट्टू म्हणया. ओम दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ता स्मर्या गुरुपरम्परा. श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. परिज्ञानाश्रम श्रीगुरुशङ्कर परिज्ञानाश्रम शङ्कर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पाण्डुरङ्ग आनन्द परिज्ञान गुरु सद्यो जात शङ्कर सद्गुरु. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. आता बेंगलोर लोकल सभा अध्यक्ष श्री चैतन्य शिरूर माम स्वागत भाषण दितलो.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. ओम श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. ओम श्री मात्रे नमः. अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. आमगल सगळ्यांगल वतीने आम्ही सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांक बेंगलोर शहरांतू सुस्वागत. बेंगलोर साधकांगले अहोभाग्य आसा की आमकां हे नवीन वर्षाचे सुरवातीकची आमकां आमगेल सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांगल दर्शन घडता आसा आनी आम सगळ्यांचेर सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांगली कृपा दृष्टी पडता आसा. मागची पंथा सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांगल आयल तावळी मठ नवीन जाल्लो आनी हे पंथा पयल म्हळ्यार इंटरव्यू रूम नवीन जाल्या. हे टायमार कंप्लीट करूंक साईनाथ मामाने आनी सत्यू मामाने मस्त उमेदी आनी मेहनत घेतल्या. ताळया. तुमकां सगळ्यांक सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांगले हे विजिटाचे विस्तार रुपेन कार्यक्रम कळयल्या. ताजे मुख्य अंश अशी आसा ती काली पुरुष वर्गाचो कार्यक्रम स्वाम्यांक अर्पण केल्लो. हो कार्यक्रमांत तयार करूंक मुख्य श्रेय साधना कैकिणीपाची बडकुळी भटमाम आनी उच्चारण टीम मीरा तोनसेपाची अर्चना कुमटापाची उमा त्रासीपाची शीला नागरकट्टेपाची आनी संध्या नायल पाच्यांगल मस्त योगदान आसा. तांणी मस्त मस्त उमेद घेवन आमकां सगळ्यांक हो कार्यक्रम तयार केलो आनी प्रस्तूत करूंक जालो. आज सांजे प्रार्थना वर्गाच चेडवां तांगल कार्यक्रम आसा. तुमी सगळ्यांनी प्रेजेंट आसता म्हणून विनंती. थोड्या वेळान गिरवान प्रतिष्ठा भगवद्गीता स्पर्धा आनी संपन्न भानप योजनाचे समर्थ भानप योजनाचे प्रमाणपत्र वितरण स्वाम्यांगल कमला हस्ते जातले. फाय सांजे 6 घंट्यारी 21 नारळाचे गणहोमाचे संकल्प आसा आनी पर सकाळी 8 घंट्यारी गणहोम आसा. तुमी सगळ्यांनी भाग घेवंक म्हणून विनंती. हे पंत दोन्ही हेल्प डेस्क स्थापित केल्या. ती एक हेल्प डेस्क मगल प्रीतीचे विषयू वंतिगा वंतिगा दिवचे खातीर एक हेल्प डेस्क आसा. कृपा करून उदार मनाने वंतिगा दियाती. ताज्याने हो मोठ चलत आसा आनी चलत आसता म्हणून विनंती. आनी दुसरे हेल्प डेस्क ही वंतिगा डायरेक्टरी खातीर पर्सनल पर्टिक्युलर्स कन्सेंट फॉर्म्स. तुमी सकड मस्त दूर दूर राबता ती हेमिती हे कन्सेंट फॉर्म्स हांगाची भोर न्हू हस्ताक्षर कोर न्हू परत दियाती. आमगल सद्गुरू स्वाम्यांगल तातावळी बेंगळूर येवका आनी आमकां दर्शन दिवका म्हणून हृदयपूर्वक विनंती. म्हणचे सामे नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव.
धन्यवाद मॅम. आतां श्री अनंत कृष्ण हेरेबेट मम्मान बरयले स्वागत गीत आनी राग बसयले उदय नागरकट्टे मम्माने हे साधक प्रस्तुत करतात.
ಸ್ವಾಗತವಾ ಬಯಸುವೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವಾ ಬಯಸುವೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವಾ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಶ್ರೀ ಸದ್ಯೋಜಾತ ಶಂಕರಾಶ್ರಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಸದ್ಯೋಜಾತ ಶಂಕರಾಶ್ರಮ ಗುರುವಾರ್ಯರ ಚರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಲೀ ಗುರುವಾರ್ಯರ ಚರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಲೀ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಸಾರಸ್ವತರೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಸಾರಸ್ವತರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ನಲಿದಾಡುತ್ತಲೀ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಗಾಢಾಂಧಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಗಾಢಾಂಧಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರಿತಪಿಸಿರಲು ಭಕ್ತರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರಿತಪಿಸಿರಲು ದೀಪ್ಯಮಾನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನು ದೀಪ್ಯಮಾನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನು ತೋರಲು ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಭವತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಲಿದ ಭಕ್ತರ ಭವತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಲಿದ ಭಕ್ತರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟಲೆಗಳ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟಲೆಗಳ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲು ಉಪದೇಶಾಮೃತ ವರ್ಷಧಾರೆಯನು ಉಪದೇಶ ಹರ್ಷಧಾರೆಯನು ನೀಡಲು ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಗುರು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳೆಗವತರಿಸಿ ಗುರು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳೆಗವತರಿಸಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಇಂದು ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಇಂದು ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತರ ಪಾಪವ ಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತರ ಪಾಪವ ನೀಗಲು ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿತ್ರಾಪುರ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು. ಸ್ವಾಗತವ ಬಯಸುವೆವು.
धन्यवाद. आता गीरवाण प्रतिष्ठेचे प्रमाणपत्र वितरण परम पूज्य स्वाम्यांगले दिव्य हस्तेन जातले. हाज बदल पूर्णिमा हेरेबेट पाची सांगतली.
जयशंकर. इदानीं गीर्वाणप्रतिष्ठायाः छात्रेभ्यः प्रमाणपत्रवितरणं. परीक्षा आराधना अध्यापिका पूर्णिमा कार्नाड. छात्राः लक्ष्मीराव, सुनीता नैंपल्ली, विद्युलता येल्लोर, श्रीलेखा गोवियस, अध्यापिका सोना चंदावरकर. परीक्षा धारणा अध्यापिका रश्मि चंद्रगिरी. छात्रः अनोश बेनेगल. पूर्णिमा कबाड़. अध्यापिका श्यामला हेब्बळे. परीक्षा धारणा छात्रा प्रज्ञा बुर्डे. परीक्षा धारणा छात्रा राधिका निरोडी. साधना तथा धारणा च अध्यापिका स्मिता देवगी. छात्रा लक्ष्मी उद्यावर, अध्यापकः अनंतकृष्ण हिरेबेट तथा स्मिता देवगी. गीर्वाण वैखरी अध्यापिका पूर्णिमा कार्नाड, छात्रा शोभा मास्केरी। धन्यवादाः।
जयशंकर हाव प्रथमेश आमेंबळ आतां एन्युअल भगवद्गीता रेसिटेशन कॉम्पिटिशन्साचे प्राइज विनर्स, पार्टिसिपेंट्स आनी अभिव्यक्ती पार्टिसिपेंट्सांक प्रमाणपत्र वितरण परमपूज्य स्वाम्यांगले दिव्य हस्तेने जातले। संध्या नायल पाचीक वेदिके लागीं येवंका म्हणून विनंती करता।
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्री मात्रे नमः। श्रीमद भगवद गीता रेसिटेशन कॉम्पिटिशन आणि अभिव्यक्तीचे भाग घेतिल्ली पार्टिसिपंट्सांचें नांव घेता। फर्स्ट ग्रुप 1 फर्स्ट प्राइज कुमारी रितिका मिथुन शिरूर। Second prize Kumari Ahana Yellow Rao। Third prize Kumari Sia Nagarkatti। Consolation prize Kumari Dhwani Bailur। Group 2 first prize Kumari Adya Nagarkatti। Second prize Chiranjeevi Jitesh Emember। Third prize Chiranjeevi Omkar Mithun Shirur। Consolation prize Chiranjeevi Bihan Rao Yellore। Participation prize Kumari Dhriti Bailur। कुमारी सानवी करम्बार। Group 3 first prize Chiranjeevi Prathamesh Amember। Second prize Srimati Dhanashri Deepak Nagarkatti। ती येनी तिगल धुव सिया नागरकट्टी घेतली। ग्रुप 3 अभिव्यक्ति का पार्टिसिपेशन अभिजीत कबाड़। अभिव्यक्ति मॉडरेटर अंकिता कार्नाड सौनाळ। अभिव्यक्ति टेक्निकल सपोर्ट चिरंजीवी कार्तिक शुक्ल। ग्रुप 4 फर्स्ट प्राइज श्रीमती स्मिता मल्लापुर। तिने अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो। सेकंड प्राइज डॉक्टर बीना बैंदूर। Second prize also to Srimati Sadhana Kaikini Pachi. She is also moderator for Abhivyakti. थर्ड प्राइज श्रीमती पूर्णिमा कबाड। तिने अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो। कॉन्सलेशन प्राइज श्रीमती अमिता शिरूर। तिन अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो। पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज कुमारी ललिता बैंदूर। श्रीमती अनुपमा नागरकट्टी पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज। श्रीमती कुशल बैलूर पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज। टेक्निकल सपोर्ट फॉर अभिव्यक्ति अनिरुद्ध बलजेकर माम। ग्रुप 5 फर्स्ट प्राइज दोन आसती। फर्स्ट प्राइज फर्स्ट श्रीमती तारा बळवळी। तीन अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो। श्री उग्राण विश्वनाथ राव फर्स्ट प्राइज। सेकंड प्राइज श्रीमती उमा त्रासी। तीन अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो। थर्ड प्राइज डॉक्टर वसंती सौकूर। तीन अभिव्यक्तींतूय पाठ घेतिलो। पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज श्री अरुण चंद्रगिरी for recitation and अभिव्यक्ति। अभिव्यक्तींतू मॉडरेटर श्री अनंत कृष्ण अभिव्यक्तीन आणि भाग घेतील सती शोभा उल्पेपाची, रविकला शिरूरपाची, रविकला शिरूरपाची, दीपक बैंदूर माम, कामाक्षी बैंदूर, गंगा मल्लापुर पाची, सुमन संशीपाची, अक्षिता कल्याणपूर पाची, भवानी नायल आणि संध्या नायल. Judges for group 1 and 2 श्रीमती सुनंदा सागर पाची तीन अभिव्यक्तींतूय भाग घेतिलो आणि पूर्णिमा कार्नाट पाची ती आमगेल प्रमाणपत्र लिपिकारिका सुदय अस. Judges group 3, 4 and 5 श्रीमती मीरा तुनसेपाची आणि श्रीमती विमला होन्नावरपाची. विमला होन्नावरपाची गेल्या सर्टिफिकेट मीरा तुनसेपाची घेतली. वॉलंटियर्स आशिल्लीं श्रीमती उमा त्रासी, श्रीमती बीना सवकूर, श्रीमती उमा सवूर, श्रीमती स्मिता बलजेकर, श्रीमती भवानी नायल, श्रीमती ज्योति राव, श्रीमती गायत्री पडबिद्री, श्रीमती अक्षिता कल्याणपुर, कुमारी साईकृपा नालपूर, श्रीमती राधिका निरोडी, कुमारी निष्ठा नेमपल्ली, कुमारी दीपिका सौराब, श्रीमती कामाक्षी बैंदूर, श्रीमती शीला नागरकट्टी, श्रीमती पूर्णिमा कबाड आणि संध्या नायर.
आता स्वाम्यांगेले अमृत हस्ते समर्थ भानप योजनाचे अनुमोदन पत्र वितरण जातले. ताजे बदल हेमंत मल्लापूर माम सांगतलो.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha. With Swamiji's blessings, I will start. आम्ही एक वर्ष पुढे we had with Swamiji's blessings there was an announcement that we will start this Samarth Bhanap Yojana. It took us a few months to put it in place, and on Rathotsav Day last year we had announced it and launched the Swamiji had launched the Samarth Bhanap Yojana scheme. And after about 6 months now we are here, and we are we have gone through the process, and there have been there's a lot of action. So I'm just going to go through a short presentation. So I'll just talk about what process we followed in the Samarth Bhanap Yojana and what progress we made. The main focus, of course, is from Swamiji's Kamala Hasta. We will have the sanction letters will be given to successful applicants of Samarth Bhanap Yojana first cohort, and we will also look at what is the next steps for Samarth Bhanap Yojana after this. So as you all know probably that Samarth Bhanap Yojana was Swamiji's vision, Param Pujya Swamiji's vision to promote entrepreneurship. So the idea is to support to start and grow the businesses for first-time entrepreneurs preferably, and to promote creation of employment among Amchis. And there are different ways that this would be done. One is seed capital funding for the startups, business incorporation assistance, mentoring and expert consulting, and business support functions. Also hiring from among Amchi job seekers, and an Amchi marketplace perhaps in future. So first I would like to mention this entire effort involved a number of people's dedicated efforts. We had a working outreach group, Akshita Kalyanpur Pachi. I would like to at least mention the working group because they put in the maximum. Mahesh Kalyanpur Mam, Mangesh Chikarmane Mam, Chaitanya Bendur Mam, Dhananjay Gulwadi, and Maithili Padukone also helped us with a lot of the social media and outreach among the Yuvas, and I was also involved. Then we have the governing body, Praveen Kadle Mam, Satish Tonse Mam, Durgesh Chandavarkar Mam, Kishore Masurkar Mam, Dilip Mavin Kurve Mam, and Uday Gurkar Mam, and I was also there. So we also had a very excellent evaluation committee members who had expertise in evaluating businesses like Pramod Shedde Mam, Satish Tonse Mam, Mahesh Kalyanpur Mam, and Srikar Baljekar Mam. Also there were domain experts who actually varied from everything from agriculture and food production to counseling, and in fact these incubators and hobby sort of electronics type activities. Captain Kaustav Nath was there, and Vijay Kalyanpur Mam from the chemicals industry. So all of these people helped in evaluation with bringing in their domain insights. So just to give an overview, I will not go too much into detail, but basically we went through an application window for the cohort. There were some orientation programs that we did, and we also guided and mentored the applicants in making a business plan because some of them were first timers. Some incidentally managed it on their own. So, but some of the finance plans, etc., to solidify it, we helped them. There was a lot of due diligence, reference checks, etc. Also, finally, the evaluation committee had a detailed business plan presentations based on which they recommended to the governing body. And after that, we are here now. So we have the overall process. So this is the timeline through which it went. We started on 10th May. The application window completed by 14 July. Shortlisted by 21st July. Business plan presentations to the evaluation committee were done by 15th August. The evaluation committee recommendations and due diligence was completed by 13 September. Final decision by the governing body was on 2nd October, and the funding sanction letters are being given today. So since the launch, how we progressed, we were successful. Actually, we got more mentors than we had initially planned. 40 have been enlisted with wide variety of expertise from various domains. And we also conducted webinars and interactions for first-time entrepreneurs on what is the process, what is entrepreneurship. There was a in-person workshop that was done in Bangalore for the US, and a webinar on how to create business plan. In cohort 1, we had an application window. We got 11 applications, and the business plan, finance plan were put together and fine-tuned with help from our mentors. Even though, so the place where we are different in Samarth Bhanap Yojana, we are trying to be, is that even if an application is not selected, and if we see that there is potential to guide them and improve their business plan, we carry through that process so that they have better chance at success. So the selection process was like this. Initially, there was interaction with the working group with applicants. There were telephonic discussions to understand the bigger picture, because not everything can be covered in the application form. And this was used for screening from the 11 applicants. Then an evaluation meeting was done where business plan presentations were done by the applicants. 7 applicants were shortlisted for this. So this was, we had, of course, help from Sankhya Labs and SVC Bank, who provided kindly their meeting rooms for the interviews. And one member at least was joined in person, so that basically, since this is a evaluation of a business, the founder interaction in person was important, so we did that. We had about 2.5 hours, and on 9th, 10th and 11th August, we completed all the interactions. And there was a due diligence, which was about reference checks, the KYC, income tax returns, and field investigations. All of these were evaluated and found satisfactory. And the EC, the evaluation committee members, recommended to the governing board. Out of those 7, 3 applicants were recommended. And the governing body reviewed and approved the funding with blessings from Swamiji, and subject to meeting prerequisites. So this funding is going to be in tranches, and it will be subject to meeting specific criteria before the disbursement of funds. So in terms of, just to say what was used to evaluate, basically businesses that have high potential of becoming profitable and growing. Also ideas which are based on innovative business ideas, which are highly scalable, and who have potential to create employment or a social impact. These were the criteria, and we had different weightages for different aspects of the business, based on which the evaluation committee rated them. So with that, we come to the actual announcement. First I will just give one pager on each company. So the first applicant successfully is a couple of entrepreneurs together, Shreyas Chandavarkar and Gaurav Bora. So this is their business. So these are excerpts from their business plan. Basically it's a City Insider is their app. It's a phone app which is based on artificial intelligence, which will help fine-tune your requirements for booking things on online. Basically events, movies, flights, sports facilities, bookings, etc. And this is customized for every city. So this is basically what they are doing, and they are starting with Bangalore as the first city, and they will subsequently expand. So with that, I request Swamiji to give the sanction letter to Shreyas Chandavarkar and Gaurav Bora. Please. So to mention about this, apart from the funding grant, of course, each of these applicants, successful applicants, will get mentoring from our experts in terms of finance planning, marketing, etc. And for this particular application, the grant amount is 20 lakh rupees to be disbursed in 2 tranches. And upon successful preconditions being fulfilled. So with that we come to the next one, which is from applicant number 2, Tanvi Gangawali Mallapur. So her business is about counseling. She is already an experienced counselor and offers and wants to expand this as a online business as well as in person. And basically her idea is to help enhance mental health in schools for corporate well-being. So tying up with schools and corporates. Also individual counseling and community engagement, which she will launch in terms of more like a as a service for the community. So in her case, basically she has a vision and mission. So these are all taken from her. I'm not able to. So basically the idea is that she will differentiate with customized solutions. That's basically her USP. So I request Swamiji to give her the sanction letter. So in Tanvi Mallapur's case, the amount is 2 lakh rupees, and it will be, I believe she's going to set it up in Shirali, and it will be online. So she has also got abroad, customers abroad, clients abroad, and yeah. So basically, apart from that, I think she is expecting that our community network will help her grow her business. So that is something where SBY will also help in the marketing. The next selected applicant is Tejal Sushant Katre and her husband Sushant Katre, who are the co-applicants. So in her case, this is a sort of a food business where basically she has artisanal chocolates. So that's basically her speciality. She has a small scale sort of home run business right now, and she wants to expand it to a proper industrial scale. And basically this will be growing through retail distribution and through online app selling. And it's basically specialized chocolates which are not like mass produced but in a small volumes. That's basically her idea. So Tejal Katre, please, I request Swamiji to hand over the sanction letter to her. In Tejal Katre's case, the grant amount is 10 lakh rupees. Just talk about what are the next steps now. So cohort 1, the disbursement of funds will happen shortly. There will be some terms and conditions for the agreement which will be signed, and then the disbursement will happen. We will have continued mentoring of the applicants through domain experts. So they have requested specifically marketing and sales, finance planning, and help raise further investments. So these are things where SBY will play a role. And monitoring of business milestones. So this is an essential part of SBY's follow-up, because we can't just leave it at granting this funding. So there are some business goals and milestones which have been projected by the applicant. So those will be assessed periodically, and of course continued mentoring of other applicants who didn't get selected but who have a scope to improve. We'll also continue on cohort 2, which was announced previously. The window is closed, but based on some of the inputs with Swamiji's blessings, we would like to extend this window for application so that we can get more applications for the second cohort. And we will have further webinars and interactions with applicants so that we can promote it among entrepreneurship among Yuvas. So that's all. I would like to thank you all. Thank you, Swamiji, from SBY working group. We had a number of learnings in this process of 6 months, and especially some of them, we need to see how we can reduce the time, especially for startups. It's important. So we will work on that, feedback Swamiji, and improve the process. Thank you. With your blessings, will.